Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by parking the trailer on a level surface and chalking the wheels so nothing moves. Once secured, check the jack visually for rust, bends, or missing fasteners. That tells you whether you need parts or just lubrication. Remove any dust and flaking corrosion with a wire brush while keeping the jack in the down position. Make sure you have a wrench set, penetrating oil, and a replacement pin or grease fitting ready before you begin disassembly. You apply penetrating oil to the screw, pivot bolts, and any visible gears, and wait about 10 to 15 minutes so the lubricant seeps in. Then remove the retaining pin and slowly slide the outer tube off to expose the inner screw and lift mechanism. Do this carefully so springs or washers don't fall out. Once exposed, clean all surfaces, replace any stripped gears or bent components, and straighten the tube if slightly bent. Reassemble in reverse order, making sure parts seat cleanly. You pack the screw threads and sliding surfaces with a heavy grease and add grease through a zerk fitting if the jack has one. Once lubricated, operate the jack several times without load, then under a small load to make sure movement is smooth and gear teeth engage properly. If binding or skipping continues, double-check tube alignment and fastener torque. A bent screw or worn gear often means replacement. If you still have trouble, stop and consult a trailer service to avoid failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.